10 Coolest Cowboy Guns on the Market 2025. Taurus Deputy Sixgun. The Taurus Deputy Sixgun is a modern homage to the classic revolvers that once ruled the Old West, blending vintage styling with contemporary build quality. This six-shooter comes chambered in Smith Magnum, offering serious stopping power without sacrificing control. Its stainless steel frame and smooth trigger make it a joy to shoot, whether at the range or on the trail. But here's the kicker. Taurus managed to pack all that into a lightweight design, making it accessible even for shooters who prefer a gun that doesn't weigh down their belt. Of course, as with any revolver, speed reloads can be a challenge, so practice is key. Imagine strapping this on and feeling like you're carrying a piece of Western history that's just as deadly today as it was 150 years ago. Classic, but not stuck in the past. Cimarron Firearms Model 1894 Trapper Lever-Action. Stepping into the saddle with the Cimarron Firearms Model 1894 Trapper means embracing one of the most versatile lever actions on the market. This rifle captures the essence of the Old West with its octagonal barrel and classic wood stock, yet it boasts modern refinements for reliability and accuracy. Chambered typically in .357 Magnum or .38 Special, it's perfect for hunting, plinking, or self-defense, and its quick lever action allows for rapid follow-up shots. A true cowboy's tool in the field. However, lever guns require proper maintenance to keep that smooth action going, especially if you're using them in dusty or rugged environments. You might feel like a frontier trapper carrying this beauty, but remember, the wild waits for no one. Know your gear and keep it ready for action. Ruger Vaquero. The Ruger Vaquero is the gun that practically defines the modern cowboy revolver. Crafted with precision and designed to capture the iconic single-action feel, it's a favorite for both collectors and active shooters who want that authentic Western experience. The Vaquero is known for its sturdy stainless steel frame, adjustable sights and chamberings, like the .45 Colt and DOT 357 Magnum, delivering impressive stopping power with the style to match. While it looks like it belongs in a John Wayne film, it's built to handle today's ammo and conditions without complaint. One thing to keep in mind is that single-action revolvers like this require deliberate cocking of the hammer before each shot, a great way to practice patience and precision. Imagine drawing this piece in slow motion, feeling like you're in a showdown at high noon, but with the reliability and safety features of the 21st century. Bond Arms Cowboy Defender. If you're looking for a modern twist on the classic cowboy concept, the Bond Arms Cowboy Defender offers a unique take with its over-under double-barrel design. Chambered in powerful rounds like .45 Colt and .410 shotgun shells, this pistol packs a surprising punch in a compact, stylish package that fits perfectly into the cowboy aesthetic. Its stainless steel construction guarantees durability, and the twin barrels give you options in how you approach your shooting scenarios, whether you want precision or spread. The Cowboy Defender may look small, but it's not a toy, and handling it safely and with respect is crucial. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of cowboy guns. Unconventional, effective, and sure to turn heads wherever you go. Cimarron, Arizona Ranger Competition SA. The Cimarron Arizona Ranger Competition SA brings a competitive edge to cowboy guns, blending period-correct design with modern performance upgrades. This single-action revolver is built for the cowboy-action shooting sports, but also holds its own as a collector's gem. With features like a crisp trigger pull, adjustable sights, and chambering options including .45 Colt, it's designed to excel under pressure. However, participating in competitive shooting with a firearm like this means committing to practice and understanding the nuances of single-action mechanics. Imagine stepping into a cowboy action match and feeling the adrenaline surge as you draw and fire with precision, knowing your revolver is a finely tuned machine ready for the challenge. Heritage Rough Rider Tactical Cowboy. The Heritage Rough Rider Tactical Cowboy perfectly blends affordability with that iconic Western look, making it a popular choice for new shooters and collectors alike. Its 6-shot cylinder and stainless steel barrel deliver reliable performance in .22 LR or .38 Special, providing a versatile platform for everything from target shooting to casual plinking. The Tactical Cowboy's compact size and lightweight design also make it an excellent sidearm for those who want a gun that's easy to carry and handle. While it's not designed for heavy-duty or tactical military use, it's perfect for the modern cowboy who appreciates style without breaking the bank. Imagine having a gun that looks the part, shoots well, and leaves you with plenty of ammo for a day at the range. Now, that's a win-win. Pietta 1851 Captain Schaeffer. The Pietta 1851 Captain Schaeffer brings history to your hands with a faithful reproduction of one of the most famous black powder revolvers from the American Civil War era. This cap and ball revolver offers a tactile shooting experience that's as close as you can get to the originals carried by cavalrymen and frontiersmen, while firing black powder rounds isn't for the faint of heart. Requiring patience and a bit of smoke and smell, it rewards you with a connection to history and a challenging, rewarding shooting experience. Be aware that these guns require meticulous cleaning and loading, but for enthusiasts, it's part of the charm. Imagine loading each chamber by hand, feeling the weight of history, and hearing that satisfying cap explosion that echoes over a century of gun lore. Cimarron 1876 Centennial Tomhorn Rifle. The Cimarron 1876 Centennial Tomhorn Rifle pays tribute to one of the Old West's most legendary figures with a lever-action rifle that embodies rugged reliability and style. Chambered in .45-70 government, this rifle packs a serious punch capable of taking down big game and holding its own in any range scenario. Its octagonal barrel and brass accents give it an authentic vintage look, while modern manufacturing ensures it shoots with accuracy and dependability. Lever-action rifles like this require some practice to master their cycling speed and accuracy, especially under stress. Picture yourself on the open plains Tom Horn style with a rifle that combines heritage, power, and the romantic spirit of the West in every shot. Henry Steel Lever-Action Sidegate 360 Buckhammer. The Henry Steel Lever-Action Sidegate 360 Buckhammer is a powerhouse designed for modern hunters who want a lever-action rifle with serious caliber and capacity. Chambered in .360 Buckhammer, a potent cartridge designed specifically for large game, this rifle delivers high velocity and stopping power in a classic Henry lever-action package. Its side-gate loading system makes it easy to reload, and the robust steel receiver and barrel ensure durability in the field. While it carries the traditional look of a cowboy rifle, its performance meets contemporary hunting demands. Imagine heading into the woods with this beast on your shoulder, combining old-school style with new-school firepower. A true game-changer for any serious outdoorsman. Savage Revel DLX. Rounding out the list is the Savage Revel DLX, a modern twist on cowboy lever-action rifles with premium features and impressive versatility. This rifle combines Savage's reputation for accuracy with classic Western aesthetics, featuring stainless steel construction, adjustable sights, and a sleek walnut stock. Chambered in popular calibers like .30-30 Winchester, the Revel DLX excels in both hunting and recreational shooting. What makes this rifle stand out is its smooth action and reliability in varying conditions, making it a great choice for shooters who want the best of both worlds. Imagine the satisfaction of a well-made, lever-action rifle that looks as good as it shoots. Classic design meets cutting-edge craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the coolest cowboy guns of 2025, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more expert firearm insights, and share your favorite Western-inspired guns in the comments below. Staying informed and prepared means you're ready for whatever adventure or collection comes your way. Thanks for watching, and keep your trigger finger ready.